discuss about how to make contour maps using drone imagery or digital elevation model prepared from drone imagery. The first step in this is to go to your files, and then you will click your open data, and then you will just click on your digital elevation model as this, and just click open. After this, this will show you a preview of your digital elevation model, and in this window pane you can see these two tools. From here you can create your contours, and then you will just click on this, and contour tool, it have options to select the contour interval. You can choose feet, meter, and decimeter, centimeter, millimeter as well. I will just choose I want 2 feet contour intervals, and it have two major distributions. First one is a minor contour, and second one is a major contour. And you can add your uh, interval in this as well. You can add 0.5 as low, or you can choose this as 1, and you can also select the range of your loaded data, and you can change its pixel size. I have the imagery with the 5 centimeter resolution, and you can fill gaps if there are any. You can check this option. You can also generate ISO heights for this, and after adding your contour interval, you will just click OK to proceed further. This will create a contour file, as you can see on your screen, and you need to just right click on this file, and you will go to its option to change its color. From here, labels, you can change its color, use same style for all features, and you can add its width as well from here, and you can change its color, any color you can choose from here, and then you will just select label font to change the font size. From here you can change your label size and its color as per your requirement, and then you will just click OK, apply this, and this will show you a clear contour interval, as you can see on your screen. And now another step is to make this contour map and or export this contour map in PDF layout. You will just go to view, and not in view, yes, in view, and you will just go to workspace layout option, and then you will just add north arrow. From here you can choose any from here, and just click apply to visualize this, and you can set its transparency as well, and you can change this from here as well. So another option from you will choose the elevation legends as well, and just choose its style, symbology, and click OK, and then this will show you on your map PDF layout. And some other options are available as well. You can add your distance scale, map legends, elevation legends as well. From here, just you will click OK, and then for exporting this map, you will just go to export and select export PDF file, and from here you will select your page size, orientation, and you can add your page title as well. From here, just click OK to proceed further, and save your file with the contour map, and then save this, and you just can visualize after saving this. This has been exported in software, and you will just go to this file to visualize this. Just click it this, and this will show you a map preview